Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5035. This shape runs from the second month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand fog light, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has multiple small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display screen, left sun visor, interior courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.